dive into the heart of India's logistics revolution. LogiMAT India 2024 is set to redefine intralogistics, transportation and process management. With the landscape of the intralogistics scenario in India witnessing a revolution, it becomes crucial to have a set of streamlined supply chain services, and effectively coordinated logistics definitely add to its growth outcomes. LogiMAT India 2024, the eagerly awaited satellite show of LogiMAT Stuttgart, which is the world's leading intralogistics and process management trade fair, is poised to delve deeper into the world of intralogistics in India. Focused exclusively on intralogistics solutions, transportation and process management, this event promises a glimpse into the logistics industry's future. Beyond a conventional trade fair, it stands as a premier gathering for professionals, industry leaders, innovators, and logistics experts. Join the stalwarts of the global logistics sector at India Expo Mart Limited, Delhi-NCR from Feb 28 to March 1, 2024, aligning with PM Modi's vision of Gati Shakti and national logistics policy. The upcoming event has garnered unwavering support from a robust advisory panel and features a range of stalwarts from the logistics industry in India and abroad. We got industry heavyweights backing this revolution. Let's hear directly from the minds shaping the logistics landscape. First in the list is Invest India, the nation's premier investment promotion and facilitation agency, serving as the authoritative guide for global investors, seamlessly connecting them to unparalleled opportunities in India's dynamic business landscape.
As the name suggests, we are a driver and enabler for drawing investment in India, not just purely investment, but also looking at return of investment for the investors. We're also looking at trade, both enabling trade and investment through R&D, manufacturing, market and scale. We are very happy to partner with LogiMAT because we believe for any investment or trade, logistics is going to be a key part. I want to tell you that our goal that our Prime Minister has set is today, the logistic cost is about 14% of India's GDP. Our goal is to get it down to 10% or even less.
Next, we bring you Messe Stuttgart, an epitome of innovation and excellence, standing as a premier international trade fair organizer, fostering connections and driving advancements across diverse industries.
LogiMAT is the leading event in its industry in Europe, and we also conduct the same event in China and in Bangkok for their respective regions. India is the latest addition to this series of events, and we expect LogiMAT India to also become the leading event in this industry for India. The topic that LogiMAT covers includes intralogistics, includes the entire process of how a company operates, manages its resources, warehousing, as well as the logistics connection to the outside world. So the connectivity, the communication, automation processes are all part of LogiMAT. It is becoming a very high-tech solution which creates efficiency, cost savings, speed, reliability for companies that really get into this venture. Therefore, it is such a crucial process, such a crucial topic for each and every industry.
The next in line is Adverb, a pioneer in the world of robotics and automation. The company claims of possessing technical prowess, unparalleled in-house manufacturing expertise, and offers exceptional solutions for automation needs across all sectors.
So logistics has seen an explosive growth in India, first led by COVID-induced lockdowns and then subsequently by other geopolitical challenges. With PM Gati Shakti plan, logistics is set to be one of the major frontiers for growth of Indian economy, and we intend to play our part with robotics and automation solutions for warehouses and factories. So LogiMAT India will provide an opportunity for different stakeholders of logistics industry in India to come at the same platform and collaborate to create innovative solution offerings for our customers. It will become a single place where customer can get end-to-end logistics solutions for all their needs. By participating in LogiMAT India 2024, we will get an opportunity to showcase our groundbreaking solutions, innovations, and our product portfolio to a range of existing and new customers. This will help us to expand our business portfolio in India.
Hyung Heinrich is the next industry player in line. Hyung Heinrich India, a pioneering force in intralogistics solutions, redefines efficiency and precision in material handling, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology to elevate warehouse operations to new heights.
Hyung Heinrich actually has always been one of the biggest exhibitors at LogiMAT in Stuttgart and at various other places in the world. For example, we are also participating in the third week of this month in Thailand, which also I'm responsible for. And so LogiMAT and Hyung Heinrich seem to have the right synergy, the right connection for taking our products, our solutions into the market. We think that we can showcase our products over there, showcase our solutions, including our focus on sustainability, with our lithium-ion battery solutions, etc. Also, our focus going forward into the automation sector. So I think to be able to bring our latest offerings into to our customers, as well as being able to have meaningful discussions with them and be able to get more and more leads to grow our business. I think that's what we're looking for.
The next in line is High-Tech Robotic Systems, a visionary force in cutting-edge technology solutions which pioneers innovation to propel industries into the future, seamlessly blending expertise and creativity for unparalleled advancements.
Hi, my name is Yashraj. I'm from High-Tech Robotics. I'm looking forward to seeing you at LogiMAT India 2024.
Next up, we have Armez Mani. Armez Mani, a visionary force in precision engineering, crafts a legacy of cutting-edge solutions, seamlessly blending innovation and expertise to redefine excellence in the realm of engineering and manufacturing.
My expectations from LogiMAT India is to see the number of Indian and international companies participate and showcase the latest technologies which is available in the intralogistics automation space. India is on the cusp of automation. It's just beginning to see automation, and as always, we would like to leapfrog technologies if possible. So it will be nice to see companies showcasing their latest and the greatest technologies in the LogiMAT show.
Next, we have VDMA, an eminent force at the forefront of industrial innovation, which spearheads transformative advancements, fostering technological excellence and shaping the future of global mechanical engineering.
VDMA, Material Handling and Intralogistics, is clearly benefiting from being the ideal sponsor of that show, being kind of a bridgehead maybe for a give and take between the European manufacturers on the one hand and the local manufacturers of India on the other hand. It's an exchange of views, it's an exchange of technology, it's an exchange of business opportunities, and maybe VDMA will also be able to talk a bit about recent standardization projects in the field of AGVs, AMR, communication with fleet managers, the well-known VDA 5050, which is an open source project enabling maybe the next step of intralogistics in the fully automated intralogistics.
Nilkamal Limited is another prime exhibitor of LogiMAT India 2024. Nilkamal Limited is a trailblazer in material handling solutions that pioneers excellence by delivering cutting-edge products and services, embodying innovation and reliability in the realm of industrial solutions.
Well, adaptation of information technology brings in efficiency as far as all your warehouse operations are concerned. From simple, pick list that can be shared to a picker who needs to move around the warehouse, to pick up the goods which are to be dispatched, to several other integrated systems. Information technology is the key to run the warehouse efficiently. LogiMAT is one platform where all such players who offer such technology can participate, and thereby visitors will have an exposure to the same to adapt it for their operations. We expect that all industry professionals who are managing the intralogistics operations of their businesses would attend LogiMAT, and because of the experience that LogiMAT as a platform has because of its international presence and the understanding, and also because the full range of solutions that people showcase over there, that they would be able to see everything in one go and then select the right solution for their operations.
Up next, we bring you the vision behind Express Global Logistics. Customer centricity, unwavering commitment, knowledge, nimble and integrity comprise core values of this leading and trusted full-service logistics provider.
LogiMAT is a new format of exhibition that's coming up, which is introducing the smart logistics, and this is something which is good for our industry. So I'm definitely expecting LogiMAT to spread the word on what they plan to display and the kind of industry they plan to cover, which I would like them to see that the current generation who is needing to understand the smarter way of working or bringing in newer solutions, they must cover the current generation of the logistics service provider, the MSMEs, which covers 90% of the business, and also the youngsters which from the universities. They also should make sure that they cover that talent also to actually spread the word of we need to move we need to introduce the smart way of handling logistics to reduce the logistics cost.
Next up, we have Racks and Rollers, a pioneering force in warehouse solutions, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with ergonomic design, offering a transformative approach to storage and logistics that optimizes efficiency and maximizes space utilization.
Well, so far the exhibitions that we had, I think more or less it was focused on the Indian markets. I am now looking at more of international visitors, expecting LogiMAT to get a lot of international visitors. This is something that I'm looking forward to. Of course, you will have a lot of networking opportunities with the exhibitors also, but I think majorly we are looking for more of international visitors coming in and looking for some kind of solutions, both in India and abroad. I think it's a nice opportunity, as I said, to look at different kind of intralogistics solutions that we have in the world. And I'm hoping to have more and more visitors, especially the people from the warehouse management people who are looking after warehouses, understanding the system, understanding the operations, and what better they can do to make sure the efficiency of storage is increased.
Up next, we bring you TVS Logistics, a visionary force in the industry which pioneers innovation and reliability, setting the benchmark for excellence in delivering cutting-edge solutions and transformative experiences.
What an exhibition like LogiMAT does for companies like us or for all the participants in the industry, be it on the client side or be it on the corporate side. This is a wonderful platform where customers, manufacturers, the suppliers to warehousing industry have a platform to meet, try and work around, how they can be scaled, how a lot of, in a scenario of a rising raw material cost, what are the alternates available, what are the best practices around, and how warehousing companies like us can be more efficient, cost effective, and give the best solution to the customers. I think this LogiMAT helps us in binding us across local, international players coming together on a common platform.
Next, we have Rahul Agarwal, who's currently serving as an independent industry expert, collaborating with chief investment officers and contributing significantly to substantial investments in the country.
India is poised for a massive growth over the next few years. We are going to be a 10 trillion economy in next 7 to 8 years and a 32 trillion economy in next 25 years. This will not be possible if we are able to compete with the best in the world and the best technologies are used for our processes. I believe the visitors for LogiMAT India will get to see some of the best technologies which are available in not only in intralogistics but transportation as well, which can help them reduce inefficiencies, improve their working capital, and make them compete with some of the best in the world. You should come and join LogiMAT if you think you can exhibit those technologies as an exhibitor. But for you as a visitor, I think there is going to be nothing like this.
Introducing next is JLL, a global real estate services company with a will to find new ways, illuminating a new path. On the way to cleaner, smarter, and more human solutions, the company takes pride in doing things differently and unveiling opportunities that create a brighter future for all.
LogiMAT, if I understand correctly, is one of the largest exhibitions in the intralogistics space in the world. When I say in the world, and that too happening in the logistics performance index country 1, like the PI 1 Germany, right? So the best of the best logistics players, they are working with in this current time, at this point in time, in not only in Germany but across the world. We are happy that they are coming to India for the first time, and they're bringing in their best-in-class customer relationships and exhibitors in globally to India. And this is probably the very opportune time also for that, because India is on a very fast track mode in the logistics space as such to adopt the global standards and be competitive in the logistics fronts globally.
Next, we bring up Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, a visionary institution at the forefront of education, innovation, and empowerment that cultivates future leaders through a transformative learning experience that transcends boundaries and shapes the future of sustainable progress.
With the several governmental programs like Make in India programs, PLI schemes, manufacturing things that are happening in India, logistics is going to play a very, very big role. Logistics is important from two perspectives. It is important for domestic consumption. For example, cost of moving things from one place to other, if the cost is high, it impacts domestic prices. Logistics cost impacts the export competitiveness. If the cost of the things that we make here and the cost of moving those things through the port so that they can be exported, if that cost is high, then it impacts our export competitiveness in a negative manner. And therefore, logistics sector is very, very crucial and important as India aims to become a developed country. Currently, our economy size is $3.5 trillion, and if logistics cost is 14% of that, tomorrow if India becomes a developed country with an economy size of 35 trillion, for example, if we are able to reduce the logistics cost from 14% to 8%, that is a big enough amount of saving that we can use on other social development schemes in India.
Next up, we have LogiMAT Stuttgart, a pinnacle of logistical innovation, setting the global stage for cutting-edge advancements, bringing together industry leaders and visionaries to shape the future of intralogistics with unparalleled precision and expertise.
It is going to help us for the show itself to get all LogiMAT shows all over the world more international. That is what we do. We connect markets, we connect people, we try to support in getting new business opportunities and new business corporations. That is our job. So a good show in India will also reflect on a good show in Stuttgart, will also reflect on a good show in China or in Bangkok. And that is the amazing thing about doing international trade shows. We are really trying to connect markets. So that is the benefit for our exhibitors for this trade show, to get in this international environment and to be part of international, worldwide networks of logistics, because logistics is worldwide.
Lastly, we have Messe Stuttgart. As a beacon of global trade and collaboration, Messe Stuttgart consistently redefines the landscape of exhibitions.
LogiMAT India will be a perfect industry platform for the logistics and intralogistics sector in India. It will be the first event in 2024, and we will bring together the industry in intralogistics and create this business platform for India. By preparing this event for next year, so we had a lot of discussions with market leaders in the industry index, in the intralogistics and logistics industry, and there's a huge demand as production sites are being built here in India, and they all need proper intralogistics solutions. So there's a huge demand, and also the existing production sites have a lot to improve in efficiency in intralogistics. So a huge demand and a huge market.
With strong support from the torchbearers of the intralogistics industry, LogiMAT India 2024 becomes a must-attend event for those looking to maintain a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving logistics sector. Don't just witness, be a part of the logistics revolution. And that's not all. Dive into the prestigious Logiverse Innovation and Excellence Awards, celebrating remarkable achievements in the logistics and automation sectors. With over 60 categories, these awards recognize excellence, innovation, and resourcefulness across diverse industries. Ready to be a part of the excitement? Exhibit or visit LogiMAT India 2024 and be a driving force in shaping the future of logistics. Mark your calendars for February 28, 29 and March 1st, 2024 at India Expo Mart Limited in Greater Noida for LogiMAT India 2024. Brace yourself to witness cutting-edge technology, network with international and domestic exhibitors, connect with industry leaders, and elevate your business to new heights.